Hi, my name is Dan with Cali Raised, and today we're going to show you how to install lower control arm skids on the 4th Gen Tacoma. For the lower control arm skids, as hardware goes, you will need 2 half-inch fender washers, 2 half-inch carriage bolts, 2 half-inch lock nuts, 3 3/8 carriage bolts, 3 lock nuts, and the associated 3/8 fender washers. So for tooling, you'll need a 3/4 inch box end wrench and a 9/16 box end wrench as well. So to install our LCAs, first thing we're going to do is we're going to place the half-inch carriage bolt through the bottom hole, and we're going to line it up with the 3rd hole from the bottom. And we'll line it up, get into a place where you can see the bolt coming through, set it up in place. Place your fender washer, and then we'll do the lock nut loosely threaded. Next, we're going to be taking our 3/8 carriage bolts and inserting them into these 2 holes. So for the passenger side, we're going to do the same thing as the driver. We're going to take our half-inch carriage bolt, we're going to stick it through our LCA skid and place it through this hole in the control arm. Now that we have both LCA skids on the truck, we're going to go ahead and tighten all the bolts down, first starting with the half-inch and then continuing to the 3/8. And that's how you install your lower control arm skids. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as visiting CaliRaisedLED.com.